In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website to the bookmark bar in Chrome. If you ever find yourself typing the same addresses over and over, this is going to save you time. The bookmarks bar is that slim row that usually sits right under the address bar, and it holds quick shortcuts to your favorite pages. Once a site is on that bar, it's just a single click away. The fastest way to do this is with the star icon. First, open the page you want to save. Look to the far right of the address bar and click the small star. A pop-up will appear to confirm where you want to save the bookmark. You'll see a name field at the top. Feel free to shorten it so it takes up less room on the bar. Many sites are recognizable by their icons alone, so trimming the name can help you fit more shortcuts in view. Below the name, open the folder options and select Bookmarks bar. That tells Chrome to place this shortcut right on the visible bar. When everything looks good, click Done. If the star is already filled in when you arrive on a page, that simply means it's already bookmarked. You can still open the pop-up to review its name or location. Another quick way is to use drag and drop. With your desired page open, look to the left of the URL in the address bar. You'll see a small lock icon or an info symbol. Click and hold that icon, then drag it straight down onto the bookmarks bar. Release it where you want the shortcut to appear. This creates the bookmark instantly, and it's a great option when you already like the page's title and don't need to adjust anything in a pop-up. After adding a site by either method, glance at the bookmarks bar to confirm it's there. If you don't immediately see the bar, it may be hidden based on your view or settings, but saving to the bookmarks bar still places it in that location for quick access whenever the bar is visible. Keeping names short and consistent makes scanning the bar much easier, and choosing the bookmarks bar specifically ensures your most used links are always front and center. That's all there is to it. Use the star for a quick save with optional edits, or drag the lock or info icon for a fast, no-frills shortcut. With just a couple of clicks, your go-to sites are always one tap away.